This is TV18 and you're watching CNBC TV18. Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.
The gems and jewelry industry is an intrinsic part of the Indian economy, and the India Gems and Jewelry Awards 2014 recognized and honored the best jewels in this sector.
This award show was long awaited, but Council is happy to announce that the India Gems and Jewelry Award marks the first event of 2015. We are honored to have amongst us today the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis, who is gracing Council's event for the first time. During the Make in India workshop held recently in Delhi, the representatives of Council had successful session with Prime Minister, the Secretariat and his Council of Ministers, especially Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, for the finalization of short-term and long-term goals for ease of doing business for the gems and jewelry industry. Sir, we have a long-standing demand, particularly with the state government of Maharashtra. When an exporter takes gold for manufacturing export, jewelry from a nominated agency, he furnishes a bank guarantee for the 10% import duty. But for the 1% VAT, additional bank guarantee is not accepted. He has to pay the VAT, and after his due performance of exporting duty-free gold, he has to stand in a queue to reclaim the VAT paid. Sir, this is one of the greatest deterrent for jewelry exporter of the state. We request your honor to accept a bank guarantee instead of upfront payment. This is if incorporated on your agenda of ease of doing business in Maharashtra. Thank you all and have a wonderful evening.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment all of you have been waiting for, the 41st India Gem and Jewelry Awards, sponsored by GIA and co-partnered by Malka Amit JK and Kiran Gems Private Limited.
Every function of this kind should have an auspicious start, and I request the Vice Chairman, Mr. Pankaj Parekh, to escort our Honorable Chief Minister on stage. A big hand for Honorable Chief Minister, ladies and gentlemen. And he is joined by the awards convener, Mr. Colin Shah, and the co-convener, Mr. Ajesh Mehta, along with the Vice President, Mumbai BJP, Kirit Bhai Bhansali. Also, Mr. Sandeep Sharma, CFO, GJEPC and MD, GIA. Mrs. Nirupa Bhatt, please come on stage.
And now for this first segment, Cyrus, it's over to you.
Yes, thank you, Mandira. Mandira will just take a break for 2 minutes and then come back. We start with the segmental awards. And the first award is for a glittering performance in cut and polished diamonds in the large subcategory on the basis of export turnover. Very popular first rank, Kiran Gems Private Limited. Okay, we can see there are also two more winners in the same category. The second rank winner is Sri Ramakrishna Exports Private Limited. Unbelievable support so far. We have a third rank winner in the same category. It is Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited. Next award is for overall excellence in cut and polished diamonds, the large sub-category. And the winner is Kiran Gems Private Limited. Honorable Honorable Chief Minister, that other political party or opposition could use this kind of popularity. We'll move on to our next award. Is for overall excellence in cut and polished diamonds in the medium subcategory. And the winner is Pansurya Impacts. You're right. It's not over in this category. Now for overall excellence in cut and polished diamonds in the small subcategory. And the winner here is Jodhani Brothers. We now move to precious metal jewelry studded in the large subcategory. And the winner in this category is very close, very close. You're right, KBS Creations. Precious metal jewelry studded is our next category. Precious metal jewelry studded in the medium subcategory. And the winner is very similar to Hong Kong, HK Designs, India. We request the winners when they come on stage not to ask for any personal favors from Honorable Chief Minister. Simply SMS the number we will flash on the screen in 5 minutes. And we'll see what we... Sir, is that okay? Nahin? Theek hai? Precious metal jewelry studded in the small subcategory. And the winner, if you are an Indian, it is the luckiest name you can give your daughter, Lakshmi Jewelry Export Private Limited. We'll move on to precious metal jewelry, plain in the large subcategory. And the award goes to, audience? But if you all know, why am I here? PC, you're right. The award goes to PC Jeweler India. One more section here. Precious metal jewelry plain in the medium category. And the winner is Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited is the right answer. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, Chairman GG EPC, Vice Chairman GG EPC, Convener Awards and MD GIA. May I request you to all kindly take your seats for a few minutes.
We believe that the awards really raise the bar for all the participants, particularly the winners, and they in fact become role models for rest of the industry. And I think the way the council has been conducting these awards in the very recent past, in the past couple of years, with much more objectivity in the process, etc., I believe we will see more improvements in the industry. And I think the participants, those who want to compete in the awards, will perform better and better.
Creators of 4 Cs of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
Wow, अपनी गाड़ी में पिकनिक। Thanks, पापा।
ये स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया कार लोन्स का कमाल है।
और वो भी अट्रैक्टिव EMI के साथ।
And so affordable. नहीं तो पहले buying a car was so expensive, ना?
For affordable car loans, visit your SBI branch today.
इंग्लैंड आकर एक टेस्ट मैच देखने की पापा की कब से ख्वाहिश थी, और कुछ ख्वाहिशों को इंतजार नहीं करवा सकते।
50 सालों से करोड़ों लोगों को इंतजार नहीं, एक बेहतर जिंदगी का हक दिलवा रहे हैं। UTI म्यूचुअल फंड, हक एक बेहतर जिंदगी का।
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.
magicbricks.com पाइए प्रॉपर्टीज की सबसे ज्यादा ऑप्शंस और उनसे जुड़ी हर जरूरी जानकारी। तो घर चुनिए मुस्कुराते हुए। magicbricks.com प्रॉपर्टी सही मिलेगी यहीं।
सॉरी अशोक, आपको कैंसर हुआ है।
नो मनी।
आपके इलाज के खर्चे के लिए आपका परिवार अपनी जरूरतों की कुर्बानी क्यों दे? पेश है भारतीय एक्सा की स्मार्ट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी, जो दे क्रिटिकल इलनेस के लिए दुगना इंश्योरेंस कवर और लमसम कॉम्पनसेशन। भारतीय एक्सा, सुरक्षा का नया नजरिया।
Creators of 4 Cs of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
Allow me to call on stage the awards convener, Mr. Colin Shah. Tireless workhorse, fearless leader, great human being, lovely personality.
The award show has been the most look forward event for the year, at GJAPC, where we recognize the best performers and also helps in setting a benchmark for the industry in general. We have a society which does have a deep divide and between the haves and have-nots. So as an industry, and especially considering we are diamonds and jewelry industry, it's very important that we take care of the have-nots in our industry, and we must recognize the companies in our industry who are doing so much to help the society at large. Thank you.
Yeah, so can we have all our distinguished guests back on stage for what hopefully will be the second half of the show?
Moving on to the segmental awards, we are now looking at cut and polished colored gemstones. Ladies and gentlemen, this category has 2 winners. The first rank winner is RMC Gems India Limited. And give an equally enthusiastic applause for the category's second rank winner, which is Friends International. And now let's move on to silver jewelry. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have any guesses who the first rank winner is? That's right, Vaibhav Global Limited. Now the category's second rank winner. Ladies and gentlemen, would you know who the second rank winner is? Derewala Industries Limited. That's right. Our next category is cut and polished synthetic stone. We don't have any nominations. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Industrial Jewels Private Limited. We now move to the costume and fashion jewelry category. Any guesses who the winner could be? That's right, Amrapali Exports. Big round of applause. The last segmental award is for sales to foreign tourists. The winner is Silver and Art Palace. Now, making and selling jewelry abroad is expensive. One needs capital. Therefore, the industry holds bankers in very high esteem. In this area, we have a number of very special awards to be given out. The first of these is for the highest limit sanctioned.
We have two winners. Our first rank winner is State Bank of India, SBI. And the second rank award goes to a bank where you have a bank account, the rich whose money is abroad.
The Royal Bank of Scotland NV.
The Royal Bank of Scotland NV. Here's a special one, the bank with the highest number of clients from the gems and jewelry industry, and it goes to SBI, State Bank of India.
Last but certainly not least in this category, we have an award for the highest growth of limit sanctioned. No nominees here, ladies and gentlemen. This is won by IndusInd Bank.
I think Gems and Jewelry Council is the one who is, giving the pure awards based on the real performances. It's not someone just, knowing to the directors or, inside people and getting the, awards. It's just, directly, exactly based on the performances only. And our company, it's a privilege for, getting this 7th time the highest, exporter or the total performance award on #1 position, and there is no other company, has been winning this.
What's up?
Okay, hang on. Happy birthday! So what plans?
Planning a long drive. Changed my car last week. Hey, same here. Sophisticated, isn't it?
Beautiful, but nowhere close to my new stylish curves.
But mine's the fastest and the safest.
Now show us your car, Rohan.
Here we go.
The same new Fluidic Verna.
Me too. Same car.
Guys, let's go for a drive.
Presenting the all-new 4S Fluidic Verna, the world sedan.
Creators of Fosses of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
What you wear is external. What you are is your experience. Style has also got to do with the choices you make in life.
Fashion can be quite time specific. Style, I think, relates to timeless. I mean, you're talking about something which is not bound to particular time.
Style is definitely a state of mind.
I taste life in style. What about you?
Blenders Pride Fashion Tour.
Taste life in style.
It's that time of the year again. Avail Muthoot Fincorp's EMI Gold Loan for your year-end needs and repay in easy monthly installments. Muthoot Fincorp, jab zindagi badalni ho.
Creators of Fosses of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
Moving on, the industry is always hungry for raw material. Therefore, it is fitting to have an award for the best agency supplying gold. The winner is the Bank of Nova Scotia.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, another big and equally important award, Importer of the Year. We have, again, 2 winners in this. Our first ranked winner is Siroya Jewelers LLC.
And the second rank award goes to Kiran Exports Hong Kong Limited.
Presenting to you the award for employee completing 35 years of service with GJEPC. The winner of this award is Mrs. Margaret Rodriguez. Ladies and gentlemen, we move to our final set of awards for this evening. These are the special awards for truly outstanding performance. It stands for one of the most prestigious awards for the evening, ladies and gentlemen, the Lifetime Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, for his passion and commitment to the industry, the Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Shri Naveen Bhai Mehta, Director, D. Naveen Chandra Exports Private Limited. A big round of applause.
Naveen Bhai's entire family on this happy occasion, on this great honor, please come on stage.
The most socially responsible company award. No nominees here, but we have joint winners. Our first winner, Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited. And please welcome our second winners, Shri Ram Krishna Exports Private Limited.
Move on, the best supporter, a very important award, the best supporter of this industry. A special award has been won by Mr. Paul Rowley, Executive Vice President De Beers. I request Mr. Brent Eseb, Vice President De Beers, to collect the award on behalf of Mr. Rowley, who unfortunately couldn't be here. Next award is the most innovative company.
And ladies and gentlemen, the most innovative company is HK Designs India.
Three awards left, ladies and gentlemen. The best growing company of the year, and the winner is Hare Rama, Hare Krishna Exports Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, this industry is no longer solely a man's world. The winner of this category, the Woman Entrepreneur of the Year, is Mrs. Vijaya Kapoor from KS Jewels Private Limited.
Final award of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, the big one, Exporter of the Year. The winner is
Shri Ram Krishna Exports Private Limited. It is my pleasure and privilege, our pleasure and privilege, to invite our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister, to please say a few words.
I feel that we have honored the real gems of the industry. These are the gems who have carried this industry this forward. I would just like to say that our Honorable Prime Minister has given a clarion call of Make in India, but I would say Make in Maharashtra. And let me assure you, we are taking all the steps towards ease in doing business. I know that industry has suffered a lot. There have been international challenges of global slowdown, of small margins. But at the same time, I also know that there have been domestic challenges as well. I've seen this industry shifting a little bit from my state. I won't say come back. I would say expand there, but expand here more. The sense of competitiveness is fair. I want to draw a bigger line. And I assure you that our government is proactive. With this, I extend all my thanks for inviting me to such a wonderful function. Thank you.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.